If you want a nice looking bird bath that's easy to assemble, check this one out. It only comes in a few pieces. Only took me 2 or 3 minutes to put it together. The top piece has a little black base that goes with it. You just screw that in. It's got 3 screws. You screw that in, and then and the pole goes into that, and the pole attaches in a couple pieces. Just fit right inside each other. Also, the top comes with a little tool, so you don't have to worry about having a screwdriver or anything like that. The pegs that goes into the ground, they just screw right in, easy to do. The top just goes right onto the pole, so everything's easy to assemble. Like I said, it only took a couple minutes to assemble, so if you're looking for a good bird bath, check this one out.